Hello crochet friends, welcome back. Working on Pikachu. Oh, this is our last day of working on little details for this guy. Okay, so today we are going to construct the little stripes for his back, the little spots he's got there, and then the little cheeks, okay? So we're gonna get these done, and then next time we'll meet up, we will pin everything on where it needs to go, sew it together, and oh, we'll be done. I'm so excited. This has been fun. It's a lot of details, but it's a good project, and I think that definitely could be made in all different sizes, and oh, you could have a great time with this. But I think this has been fun, so I'm enjoying it. Starting with the cheeks, this is a worsted weight yarn in red, still 4mm crochet hook. Okay, so we are going to start with a magic circle. So go over your hand, cross and go over again. Go under the first, grab the second and twist. No chain one again, just like with the eyes, okay? We're not going to chain one, but we are going to do 6 single crochets inside. Enter, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2. Go in again, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2. That's 2. This is 3. Try to keep them the same. 4. 5 and 6. Okay, give it a little tug on the tail, and let's go back to stitch number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here, and give it a slip stitch. Okay. So I don't know if I have the whole stitch. Oops. Yep, there we go. Enter, yarn over and pull through again for a slip stitch, and pull it up. Okay, just like with the eyes, leave a long tail, and we're going to pull this through and we're going to secure it again, because I really do believe that that makes it look better. I'm going with that, sticking to that. We're going to need 2 of these, just like the eyes. We'll need 2 of these, and we're going to need 2 of those little spots on his back. Okay, so I'm going to go in that back loop of the next stitch and pull it through. Okay, so these will be the little spots on his cheeks. Hopefully I've got them close to the same size. Might be able to give this a little tug some more on the back. Kind of just grab his little head. So those will be his cute little red cheeks. Okay, so make 2 of those. Secure them, get a good tail, and put those aside. That's the cheeks. All right, and that was a red worsted weight yarn. Now we're going back to the brown that we used for the tail. This is the same brown that we used on the tail. To me, it seems like these 2 spots are the same color, so that's why I'm going with this. If you want to do a different color, I mean, you do you. We talked about at the beginning how during times of animation, the brown seemed to be a different color. Sometimes it was a little more orangey looking. So you pick what you would like, but I'm just going to coordinate my tail with these same spots that are going to go on his little back. We're going to chain, so we're not making a magic loop. So we're going to make a circle, and we're going to drop our tail behind. We're going to enter with our 4mm crochet hook still, and pull that up on our shank. Okay, still the same hook, and this is the same brown yarn. Okay, now we're going to chain 11, so yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, everybody have a chain of 11. We're going to single crochet in the second stitch from our hook. So here's the first. We're going to go into this one, enter, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. And then we're just going to single crochet to the end, all the way down, we'll have 10 stitches by the time we are done. These are all single crochets. Not too bad. It's interesting how you can make all these little designs with yarn. It just amazes me. I love that. I think that's one of the things I love most about crochet is that, well, I can design that in yarn. And I think that that's fun. How can I make this come out to look the same in yarn? So I like that. It's almost like a challenge accepted, you know? So here is my last one. And again, we'll need a decent tail to secure, right? Okay, so I'm gonna pull that up a little bit. I'm gonna cut my yarn, but I wanted to show you. So when you make these, right, and you pull it in, it gets kind of rounded at the end, at that beginning end, right? It's kind of rounded looking, isn't it? But yet this end isn't. And so for me, the way that I remedy that is I always take my two tails and I tie them together. And then of course when I put it all together, then I tuck it all in nice and neat. But I feel like that makes this end a little more round to match that end. You see what I'm saying on both of these two? I don't know. For me, I like things to be the same, all matchy-matchy. So I want them to match both sides. So that works for me. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but I like it matchy-matchy. So we need two of these for his back. It'll go on the back of his body. Grab his little body. I have all my stuff sitting over there. So once we get there, these will go across here. His two little, I don't even know, I guess they're just like, oh, maybe they're like tiger stripes. I don't know. It's probably just to be decorative, but anyway, they will be attaching on his back. All right, so make two of those. Almost spilled my tea again. One of these days I'm gonna spill it on y'all, I'm sorry. Okay, two stripes, two cheeks, and make sure you have your two eyes ready to go too. That's it, that's all our little details. So when we meet up next, bring some pins. We'll pin everything on the body where we want it to go. That gives you a really good visual of how you want it to work. And then we can start sewing everything together. I can show you how to do that. It's not hard at all, but you just want to get everything in the right position. So we'll work on that together and finish our little guy up. I'm so excited. So I'll see you next time. Thank you and have a joyful day.